Good evening, Scarlet Knights. I'm your weather watcher, Maia Mielke, here with your Wednesday evening forecast. Right now in New Brunswick, it is 70 degrees. We have a few clouds in the sky, but it feels like 66 degrees due to a little bit of wind chill. We're very dry right now, 37% humidity, and very gentle winds at 3 miles per hour from the southwest. Let's look at our headlines for the rest of the week. We're currently under an air quality alert into tomorrow at midnight, and this is due to the Jones Road fire in Ocean County. So currently, this air quality alert is going to impact especially New York City, as there could be some particulate matter in the air tomorrow and chances of haze, especially around 4 p.m., although the fire is currently around 40 to 50% contained. From today into the rest of this work week, we're under warm and dry conditions due to a high pressure system that we are going to experience, except that high pressure system is going to get replaced by a low pressure system and a cold front on Friday night, bringing showers on Saturday with a 20% chance of up to an inch of rain. Let's look at our current temperatures across the state. Starting in South Jersey, we have pretty variable temperatures across the state. We have a high of 64 in Cherry Hill and a low of 52 in Cape May, with the rest of the state around the low to high 50s. Moving to North Jersey, we're at 63 New Brunswick. We have a low of 56 in Frenchtown and Hackettstown, and the rest of the state is staying in the higher 60s. We're going to look at a surface map really quickly. So in the southern half of the United States, so the southeast, especially Atlanta, we're getting those chances of precipitation and more severe weather due to a stationary front. But in New Brunswick, we're not experiencing any severe weather due to that high pressure system we're currently under. Although if we look in the central south of the United States, from Texas all the way to Oklahoma and Nebraska, there are chances of severe thunderstorms. But as we look at the surface map progressing into Friday, that low pressure system from the plains and the Midwest starts to come more in our direction in New Brunswick, which is why starting Friday night and Saturday, we get those chances of rain. Looking at our future cast, tomorrow morning at 8:30 a.m., we see a little bit of cloud coverage. We're 57 in New Brunswick, 54 in Sussex, and 56 in Wildwood. And then tomorrow is your high of 82 in New Brunswick. The whole state is nice and warm, 81 in Sussex, 75 in Newark, and a low of 68 in Wildwood. And then tomorrow night at 10:30, we're 67, so a pretty good temperature for this time of year, 66 in Sussex, and a low of 57 in Wildwood. And then Friday morning, we're dipping temperatures just a little bit in the morning, 63 in New Brunswick, 62 in Sussex, and 61 in Wildwood. So the whole state is in the low to mid 60s. Overnight tonight, it is 52 degrees, mostly clear, not too many clouds in the sky, and west winds at 5 miles per hour with sunrise at 6:06 a.m. Stepping into our 7-day forecast, we see tomorrow and Friday we're staying really nice temperatures in the high 70s, almost 80 degrees. We're sunny and mostly sunny, but then Saturday we see that dip in temperature just slightly, 73 on Saturday as that cold front came in with that low pressure system causing showers on Saturday, once again up to an inch, possible 20% chance of that happening. But then as we go into Sunday, we see a good dip in temperature, 67 on Sunday, but we're staying nice with sunny skies as high pressure systems return starting early next week. 72 on Monday, and Tuesday and Wednesday, we really warm up nicely to the low to mid 80s. That was your forecast. I'm Weather Watcher Maia Mielke, and please remember to follow Weather Watchers on Facebook, Instagram, X, and YouTube. Thank you so much.